Kiddies ahead! Let's learn the ABCs. Today, we're going to learn the letter A. Let's write. To write letter A, start from the top, go around in a circle, go up and down in a straight line like this. One more time. Start from the top, go around in a circle, go up and down in a straight line like this. Words that start with letter A. A, apple. A, arrow. A, astronaut. Review time. A, apple. A, arrow. A, astronaut. Let's draw. You will need a pencil and an eraser, a piece of paper, and some colors. An apple. Draw a round line going downwards. As soon as you reach the bottom, draw a small bump. Then continue drawing the curved line upwards and close the shape. Draw the stem and then color it in. And here's your apple. Now we are drawing an arrow. First we draw a rectangle. Then we draw a triangle as an arrow's head. And color it in. Here's your arrow. An astronaut. Draw a circle for the head. Draw a smaller oval inside it to become the helmet. Draw the body. Then draw the arm. Then draw the legs. Now let's add some decorations like buttons. Astronaut. That's it for now. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.